Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OBS Studio Cloud Settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Navigate to the settings option located in the lower right corner of the main interface. In the settings window, select the stream tab from the left sidebar. In the stream section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled service. Click on that drop-down menu and select YouTube. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube Studio page. Sign in to your YouTube account if you haven't already. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create button in the upper right corner. Then, select Go Live. Once you're in the live control room, locate the Stream key under the Stream Settings section. Click the Copy button next to the Stream key. Return to OBS Studio and paste the Stream key into the corresponding field in OBS. Make sure the server field is set to the default or select a different server if necessary. Now, adjust any additional stream settings as needed. Once satisfied with your configurations, click OK to close the settings window. To ensure everything is working correctly, click the Start Streaming button in OBS Studio. Check back in the YouTube Live control room to see if your stream is live. Adjust any further settings as needed to optimize your stream quality. You are now set up to authenticate and stream with OBS Studio using YouTube Cloud Settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.